I want my potential homeowner, when they're standing in the driveway, to look up and to just be wowed by what they're seeing. So I'm always looking for something new, something interesting, a new product, a new finish. The Aspyre collection by James Hardie does offer design versatility because there are so many choices. The V-groove, for instance, can be applied vertically on one house and horizontally on the other house, and they'll look different. It's kind of like a Lego set. You know, if you just have a basic block and you have all these other different components, it makes your final finished house much more interesting. James Hardie makes the artisan lap siding in different depths. You notice that when you're driving down the street. That allows me to make every home I design look a little bit different.